A very good morning to all my lovely children. Today we're going to solve the English assignment for class 6 and the chapter is A Game of Chance. So now let's start with the assignment. First question. Where did Rashid's uncle go? See the answer. Rashid's uncle saw some of his friends. He went to them to have some chit chat with them. So basically he saw his friends and he went to talk to them. See the next question. Name the poet of the poem Vocation. So, who is the poet? He is none other than renowned poet Rabindranath Tagore. You can see in the image also. Now, third question. Why was a fair organized in Rashid's village? Now, basically, what was the reason for the fair? So, the fair in Rashid's village was organized on the occasion of Eid. So, it was Eid time, that is why a fair was organized. Fourth question. Who all went to the fair? Rashid, his uncle, and a boy who worked at their house went to the fair. So there were three members, Rashid, his uncle, and a boy who used to work in their house. So all three of them went to the fair. What things Rashid saw at the fair? So Rashid saw that there were many shops, rides, giant wheels and tradesmen that came to sell of their things at the fair. So basically in a normal fair also we can see these things only. There are so many shops, there is giant wheel, there are dragonflies and there's so many kind of rides. And people come from far away to sell their homemade items also. So same is tradesmen. Sixth question. What were the things sold at the fair? So now what were the objects or what were the things that were sold? See the answer? People could buy anything. It means from a small pin to a big buffalo. There were also shops of different dishes at the market. So all over most of the things were available to be bought, even a small pin or even a big buffalo, and there were different dishes also to buy and to taste. Seventh question. What did Rashid and his bhaiya do in their uncle's absence? So when uncle was not there, then what Rashid and his bhaiya do? See the answer. Rashid and his bhaiya were roaming here and there at the fair. So same happens with us also. Whenever there is no one adult, we also go here and there, we also enjoy. So same was with Rashid and his bhaiya. The last question. Why his uncle asked them not to buy anything alone? See the answer. Rashid was a small boy. Anyone could trick him or fool him. So his uncle told him not to buy anything in his absence. So Rashid was a small boy. He do not know that how much a packet of chips will cost. So if somebody will say 20, he will pay 20. So he can be fooled very easily. That is why his uncle told him not to buy anything in the absence. Now, this was the chapter, A Game of Chance. These were the question answers. Before ending, we all know that right now we all are fighting against corona and we are sitting at our places. So what I want is, what your English teacher wants you people is to become like a seed. Now, how? See that through a video why I want all of you to become a seed. See here. Everybody just look at. Yes, so this was what I wanted you to become, like seed, so that you grow into strong humans, and whatever situation happens, corona or no corona, anything that happens, you people stay strong all the time and make others also feel strong. So this was about today's video. Thank you so much. Stay safe, eat healthy, become fat, but don't go out. Thank you.